Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tech and finance insights. MoneyGram, found at www.moneygram.com, offers a range of financial services focused on money transfers and payments. Their online platform facilitates sending money quickly and conveniently to various locations worldwide. Users can choose from different delivery options, including direct bank account deposits, mobile wallet transfers, and cash pickups at designated agent locations. The website provides clear information on transfer fees, exchange rates, and estimated delivery times. MoneyGram also offers bill payment services, enabling customers to pay utility bills, make loan payments, and cover other expenses through their network. For those who prefer in-person transactions, MoneyGram has a vast network of physical agent locations where individuals can send or receive money. The website offers a locator tool to find the nearest agent. Security is a priority for MoneyGram, employing various measures to protect customer information and transactions. They also provide resources and support to help customers understand and avoid potential scams and fraud. Beyond individual users, MoneyGram also serves businesses, offering tailored solutions for international payments and money management. The website features dedicated sections for business customers, highlighting the benefits and functionalities available. Overall, MoneyGram positions itself as a global money transfer and payment solutions provider, catering to both individual and business needs through a variety of channels and with a focus on security and convenience. Navigating their website, www.moneygram.com, is straightforward, offering clear guidance on the various services available, pricing details, and support resources. They also provide a comprehensive FAQ section to answer common customer inquiries and concerns. Whether you need to send money overseas, pay a bill, or manage international business transactions, MoneyGram aims to provide a reliable and accessible platform.